Today, I'll show you exactly how to create authentic, textured corrosion. This technique adds real depth, roughness, and aged metal character. First, apply a dark wash to establish the shadows. Then, mix Van Dyke brown with raw umber and apply it over the metallic areas. Real rust builds up over time, creating a crusty, uneven surface. To replicate that texture, mix marble dust with a small amount of Mod Podge. Stipple the mixture onto the prop with an old brush, focusing on recesses, joints, and moisture-prone areas. Next, mix raw umber with just a touch of black, then apply it over the textured areas. Now, we need contrast. Lighten your rust mixture slightly. Gently dab this lighter tone onto the highest peaks of the texture to create depth. Use a piece of sponge to brighten some raised areas with a thicker paint consistency. You can also use a brush, like this, for more controlled highlights. Mix sienna and ochre to create a warmer, lighter rust tone. Then, highlight only selected raised areas to keep the effect natural. To push the realism even further, mix a little emerald green with ochre. Apply it as a localized wash to suggest older oxidation and make the weathering feel more realistic. Rust naturally flakes away from high wear areas. Use a hobby blade to carefully scrape back some of the paint along the sharpest edges. Revealing the metallic base coat underneath instantly grounds the whole piece and tricks the eye into believing the rust is real.